Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Geoe. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey on exploring map work and contour lines. Have you ever looked at a map and you find that you see mysterious lines that crisscross the landscape? Well, we have come to the right place because today we are going to explain more about those contour lines and we have already designed a 3D model, as you can see that is in front of me. But why is understanding contour lines so important? First one, contour lines are storytellers of the land. They reveal secrets of its shape and elevation. They are our key of understanding the layout of our land, and it is crucial for many reasons. For one, they help us identify landforms like mountains, deep valleys, and these contour lines help us in recognizing these features. Our focus today is on the stunning landscape of South Africa because we will explore how these contour lines that guide us to find different landforms that we've been given to find when designing this this 3D model. And now, let me emphasize why is this contour line important and what exactly is contour lines. Firstly, contour lines are lines that join places of equal heights above sea level, and also they help us to find different landforms, and also it helps us to find an elevation on a mountain and also its shape. Imagine a person hiking up a mountain. The person will need a map to review how the land is, or is it high? Do we have high mountains or low mountains? And also, the contour lines will also explain how the steep or the gentleness of the slope is. Thank you for listening to our introduction.
Okay, greetings. I'm going to explore through the waterfall. Firstly, I would like to define what waterfall is. Waterfall is a natural feature where water flows in over a edge of a cliff or in a deep incline. Each waterfall comes with its shape or sizes. They cannot have same sizes or same shapes. They are also unique and they have their own beautiful. And they are caused by the erosion of rocks. Secondly, they are caused by the collapse of glaciers, and also they are caused by the overflow of river or a lake. They are important economically because they attract tourists. Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys. Today we are going to be presenting our contour model structure. Here we can see there are contour lines. Our contour interval is 50, and then we have different features. Me and our colleagues, my colleagues here, are going to present. I am going to present the drainage system. As you can see in our contour model, there are tributaries from both sides. They are meeting together to form a bigger river or a main river. And then we have the sources of our river, and then we have the mouth of our river. There is a waterfall here, and our next colleague will be presenting what is a waterfall and how is the structure or the features of the waterfall. I thank you.
Greetings. Today I'm going to be giving you an overview of a valley. A valley is an elongated low-lying area which usually runs between hills and mountains. A valley usually forms a river or a stream, and usually also is formed due to erosion of the land surface. Some valleys are formed by erosion of glacier ice, and these glaciers may be present in valleys in mountains or in polar areas.
Hi, today I'll be presenting about the landform which is called a valley. A valley is located between the mountains or the hills, which you can see from this side. And then most of the time the river flows through the valley. Thank you very much.
Okay, I greet you all. I go by the student number 3746 2547. I will be addressing a feature which is called an aquay. which is also known as a water gap. A water gap is a gap in the landscape that is caused by erosion and cutting of streams or rivers. It can be formed by a stream flowing through a mountain range. I think.
Greetings. In addition to watershed, as we all know that watershed is an area of land where all the rain and snow that falls on it flows to a single point like a river, an ocean, or a lake. This is all a natural feature or a natural drainage system for water. It is important because what happens in a watershed affects the quality of water in the rivers and lake, which in turn can impact the environment and our lives. Thank you.
Hi, the next topographic feature that we'll be focusing on is the watershed. Watershed is basically a high-lying area that separates two drainage basins. It carries water that is shed or is drained from rainfall or the melting of a snow into another, that can be like a lake or river. Whatever.
Good day, this is Sinabusha Shazi, student 411-74240. So I'll be touching on plains. As we depicted on this model, that our plains over here are 300 meters above sea level. So what are plains? Plains are flat and level areas that are usually shaped from erosion and also deposition from sedimentary rocks. These surfaces are relatively smooth and they are covered by crops, grass, and also shrubs. So what can be interesting about these floodplains is that they are most crucial in agriculture, transportation, and also settlement reasons. So one of the most famous plain in the world is the Great Plain of North America.
Another feature that is evident from our model is a mountain pass. A mountain pass is a route through a mountain range or over a ridge. It is usually the lowest point on the crest line, between two valleys or peaks. They are important for travel, to trade and warfare, as they provide access to different regions and resources. Mountain passes can have different shapes and features depending on geology and climate. Some are narrow and some are steep, while others are dry and rocky. Thank you.
A waterfall is a natural feature where water flows over a steep edge and drops down to a lower level. Waterfalls can be found in different sizes and shapes. Some waterfalls are world-famous tourist destinations, while others are hidden away in the wilderness. Waterfalls are formed when water flows over a cliff and the force of the water erodes the rock over time.
Okay, henceforth we are having a cliff. Okay, so firstly let's take a look at what's in a cliff. A cliff is a steep vertical slope or a steep, okay, that is found near the water bodies such as a coastal or the rivers, which are formed through the activities like the erosion or the tectonic activities. And another thing that you need to know about the cliffs. Cliffs are characterized by their heights, okay, which vary from the lowest meters to 100 meters. And another thing is that the cliffs can serve as an attraction for tourists. Thank you.
I will be presenting about the neck, which is the narrow strip of landform connecting to larger landforms, such as a neck can be formed by a river or a stream. Isthmus of the Panama Neck that connects North America and South America.
Lastly, we have a gorge, and the gorge are mostly found on the neck of the river. And the gorge is a narrow, deep feature that we found on where the river is flowing, and is curved by the river. Now, importantly, gorges are more likely for activities like hiking and also for rock climbing, and are formed from the action of erosion and weathering. The surrounding rocks are break down in slowly. Now is where we have a gorge.